Hello everyone, how to do it? So I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to make Ghibli style photos on your smartphone. So nowadays it's like a trending that some photos, maybe your photos or your actor actress photos, that make it like a Ghibli style. So it calls Ghibli style. So just follow my step. First of all, you need to go Google Play Store if you use Android phone, and go to App Store if you use iPhone. Then here you can see Grok. Tap on the search box and type the word Grok. So that's it. So you can see I already download this in my device. After installing in your device, simply tap on the open button. Once you tap on the open button, then you need to sign up first with your Google account or with your Twitter or X account. Then tap here the plus icon. Here you can see plus icon. Simply tap here and tap here the photos, or you can tap photos. So I just download Donald Trump image and done. So now you can write here, make this image into Ghibli, Ghibli style. So then just generate it. So it takes few time to generating a Ghibli style. So just wait to get the result. So you can see it's now processing. So now you can see it's a processing and it's loading. So it takes a few time. It's like a lengthy process. Just wait. So now you can see if you don't like the image, then you can tap here the regeneration, this one, if you don't like it. So I'm just going to I'm just keep this. So you can create this like this way. So if you tap here, then how it looks like. So you can see the result. So this way you can create Ghibli related images on your picture. If you don't like, then you can tap here and regenerate it. So now you can see the regenerated. So once you like, then tap here, then you can download this here, three dot, and save it on your device. So it's look perfect. So this way you can create or generated Ghibli images. So you can see it's the uh, final output. So I hope this video is helpful. So today's no more, and see you the next video.